Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix this type of engine hot AC off warning on your Chevy Impala, and I'm also going to explain why your air conditioner shuts off when this message appears. So the very first thing that you need to know is that this isn't an air conditioning problem. When your Chevy Impala detects that the engine is overheating, or if it believes that it is overheating, the engine control module automatically turns the AC compressor off. This reduces the engine load and can help prevent the serious engine damage. So in order to fix this, you need to simply start by checking the engine coolant level in the coolant reservoir after the engine has cooled completely. If the level is below the cool fill mark, you can just simply inspect the radiator hose, the water pump, the radiator and the reservoir for signs of coolant leaks before topping up the correct coolant. Afterwards, you need to also basically take a look at the temperature gauge while the engine warms up. If the gauge quickly climbs into the hot zone, or if the radiator cooling fans turn on, you can inspect the cooling fan, fan relay, fan fuse and the cooling fan control module. Now, if the engine doesn't appear to be overheating, but the warning comes on anyway, the problem may be with the faulty engine coolant temperature, which is also called the ECT sensor, which can look something like this. So an inaccurate temperature reading can cause the computer to disable the AC even when the engine temperature is normal. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.